YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos, back with another video. So check this out, guys. I'm here at my local hobby shop. Get around this corner here. This is your Superstition Springs Hobbies. I'm gonna go in here, take you guys in there with me, take a look around. Hopefully the fellas will allow me to record, and let's just see what they're working with. This is Queen Creek, AZ. Let's get it. Made it to the hobby. Give you guys an opportunity to check out the shop here really quick. Got the blessing of the fellas. It's okay for me to take a look at the shop. Got your batteries, got your receivers up there, more battery kits, planes for those who are into the airplanes. They restocking quite a bit. Got your crawler section, bikes, some Maxes, quite a bit of those, plane parts. Make this pretty quick, guys. This is a pretty large hobby shop. All your Spectrum stuff, Traxxas, Slash, dopeness. See what's in the cases. Customizing tires. They got these bad boys right here. They got all the colors. They're not able to put them on the website, but they are here, local. Got quite a bit of stuff to the ceiling. This is all they Traxxas. Stuff back here. They got all these bodies. Man, they got quite a bit of stuff here, bro. Planes. Most stuff. Let's go over here. Paint. There's some armor. Let's go around here. So we're grabbing some of my paint from. Not all of it, but some. Shop trucks. Come back here. Got the rock crawler set up back here, which is pretty dope. Pretty dope. They be back here going at it. Pretty sick. Just overstock. You know. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give an opportunity to check it out. This is my local hobby shop. And so I'm gonna pick up what I came to get and then get back to the crib and check it out. Let's get it. We secured the bag. Well, ain't no bag. Back to the cribbo, we go. Gotta throw this bad boy up off in here. Let's get it. All right, guys, we done made it back to the crib, and here we have it. This is your Losi race-inspired LMT MEGALODON. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is a mini LMT 4x4 Monster Jam truck. Just give you a little bit of box information. Fully built, ready to run. Check it out. I think this is pretty dope. I mean, for the most part, I like the body. I like the shark body, which is pretty cool. And I did watch those Jason Statham, I believe that's how you pronounce his last name. Those low budget, not always say low budget, high budget shark movies that this dude's been doing. Straight popcorn movie. Don't take them serious at all. And those Sharknado movies, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, here's what it comes with. Excuse my voice. Got your batteries, your remote, your charger, the whole shebang, ready to run. Check it out. Let me go ahead and take it up out the box and show you guys what it looks like. With that being said, I'll go ahead and show you what I grabbed. I did grab some shocks for it. So check that out, some aluminum shocks for it. And then I also went with the Trill axles. Now I know there's a lot of parts for these mini LMTs that are on the market. And I'm not sure if I want to go, you know, fully customized, or I want to keep it regular degular, you know what I mean? So it all depends. And I still have this combo that I haven't used. And I'm just on the fence if I'm going to use it, because they need to update their firmware. This goes in reverse when it's not supposed to. And I don't know if they fixed it. You guys let me know if they have. So it just depends. I may put it in, I may not, I don't know. But I'm also gonna see if I'm able to bind this bad boy to it too. So that's to come as well. So with that being said, let me go ahead and just open it up and take it out the box and see what it's looking like. Give me 1 second, let me cut it open. So what comes in the box? So here we have the charger. Don't need that. We got the remote. Take this up out of here. Yes, sir. So boom, boom. We got the bag of goodies. Got your batteries. Oh, nice. It comes with a, oh, that's dope. It comes with a, you see that right there? To convert it to a IC2. So you can put other batteries in there. That's dope. Or you can charge it. I think that's pretty sick. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's a big book for such a small car. All right, so give me a second, guys. Let me get it out of here. I don't know how it's in here. Is it zip tie? Oh, yeah. Let me, I'll catch you guys back on when I get it out of this cardboard. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, here we go. Got it up out the box. I think it has pretty cool packaging too, with the whole background of the ocean and whatnot. But check it out, guys. Look at the BKT wheels. These plastic, oh nice. These flimsy. Okay, designed it to take a beating. I thought this was hard plastic. Pause. That it was gonna break, but that's pretty cool. Here's the rear. Here's the other side. Check it out. Check it out. Just the detail of the shark face is pretty cool. The whole mouth of it. Check that out. That's pretty sick. Now, how the heck do you take it off? Let me see. They got a couple of, oh, here's one here. Twist that way. There's one in the front and one on the side. There's another one there. And there's one right there too. Okay, so it should come off. So boom. Okay. Set that back to the side. Check this body out underneath it. It's pretty sick. To be honest with you, I got it because of this. Like if they made the LMT 10 scales with this body, I probably would buy it. Like me and my wife have the LMT Son of a Digger and the Grave Digger, so we have both of them. Completely overpowered with the Calcer 2200 combos in it. But those were a couple of my first RCs that I bought and started to customize the electronics in it. But this is dope. I like this. This is sick. This is dope. And then here you have this bad boy. Got your battery, got a 50C, 2S LiPo, got your 2-in-1 receiver ESC combo. It is brushed, so you got a little, I think it's a 25 turn motor in there. You know, there's your axles. Plastic. I know they make all of these parts aluminum. So I don't know, guys. It depends on how expensive this build would be to start to replace all these things, the hub carriers, the hubs, this part up here. I got the shocks, replacing the axle covers. Like, it can get expensive, but it's like, do I want to go down that rabbit hole, or, you know, go down that journey with it? I like it. I like it. Now, the one thing I want to know is if I'm able to bind that remote to this. I'm going to try it and see. But yeah, guys, here we have it. Pretty sick. Next, let's see here. We'll take it outside, give it a rip. But before I do that, I'm gonna see if I can bind this remote. If I can bind it, you'll see that. If not, then we're gonna run with the stock radio. But yeah, guys, this is the Megalodon. The 2025 first RC in my collection for 2025 had to be this bad boy right here. With that being said, let's get outside. Let's give it a run. Let's get it. All right, guys, we outside. Was not successful at binding that remote, so we're gonna go ahead and use the factory joint. Stop. Here we go. Maiden run. Maiden run. Try not to tear it up. Be on 100%. Let's do 50 really quick. First and foremost, let's get out this sun. This thing is crazy looking. Oh, and the tires. Forgot to mention that the tires actually have foam in them, which is dope. I'm pretty sure the other LMTs got foam too. But this is new to me, guys. I haven't seen one of those mini LMTs run in person. But this is pretty sick. Oh, this is 75%. I don't want to roll it. This is going to require me to go get me some little bitty ramps This is sick. I primarily got this, guys, because of the shark body. I ain't gonna hold you. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, this is dope. So I have a feeling 9 times out of 10, guys, I'm probably going to be customizing this. Just being honest. Just got to do my homework and seeing what the parts is hitting for, and you know, how far in detail do I want to customize it. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's not for bad. I mean, it's not for the streets. I'll tell you that much. Because it is too sharp of a turn, it's going to tip, and I'm trying not to turn it over. But yeah, guys, the Megalodon. That's sick. Let's get a little off-road action. As bad as off-road is gonna get right there. And then flip. Great. All right, guys, so with that being said, just stay tuned for more videos of this guy. Customization is on the way. Mini LMT MEGALODon added to the collection. First pickup of 2025. Thanks for watching. Peace and blessings. Gone.